we're going to show you how to use the Force Multiply feature. With this feature, you can strengthen the edge of the garment by replicating the edge being folded over once or more and stitched. For example, a swimsuit that is usually made of stretchy fabric needs to have its edges strengthened in order to keep the shape required for the best fit and look of the garment, and ensuring that the digital appearance is realistic and true to life. Start by selecting the edge you want to fold in the 2D window. In the Context view, in the Edge Properties section, select Force Multiplier. There are two properties: Amount, where you insert the number of real-life folded layers of the fabric, and Depth, where you insert the depth of the fold. After applying the Force Multiplier, you can see the garment's edge being stiffer. The Pressure Map feature allows you to see how the Force Multiplier is working. And that's how you use the V-Stitcher Force Multiply.